Hey guys, it's Devin Doherty, Doherty Real Estate Group, and I'm here at the Mission Viejo Farmers Market every Saturday, 9 to 1, and I'm here with Paula of Sadies Bake Shop. And Paula, it's great to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Devin. Thank you.
So I understand that the name Sadie came from your grandma, is that right?
Yes, that is right.
Very cool.
Yes.
And so was she the one that initially started the baking, or how did the whole thing come together?
Actually, I don't remember my grandma Sadie doing a lot of baking. When I was deciding to do this business venture, I was thinking about a name for my bake shop.
Okay.
And I didn't want to use my own personal name.
Yeah.
So I thought about who was a sweet person that I remember?
Oh, very cool.
What makes me happy? What makes me feel good?
Right.
And I thought immediately of Sadie, and then my grandma Sadie.
Okay.
And her image is on my table, and her name is on my banner.
Yep.
And that's where the name Sadie's Bake Shop came from.
Fantastic.
Why?
Fantastic. So how long you been in business, and how did the inception happen?
I have been in business for, I'm going to say, about 3 years.
Very cool.
And it happened because I bake a lot.
Okay.
It's kind of a compulsive thing. I really enjoy it. It's kind of a therapeutic thing, but it makes me really happy.
Yeah.
And a lot of friends and just even people I didn't really know started asking me to bake and sell to them.
Yeah.
And I bake for family,
Right.
friends, but when people that I really didn't know asked me to start baking for them and selling to them, I knew that the right thing to do was to be permitted.
Yeah.
And so I became permitted, and it was a process to go through the state and through Orange County.
Right.
So I went through the entire process to become permitted, and as soon as I got my permit, I was able to participate in markets.
Very cool. Very cool. Very cool. So what is the favorite thing about your business?
Favorite thing for me?
Yeah, for you.
Oh, favorite thing for me would be baking.
Yeah.
Trying new recipes, asking like friends and family to sample, and so a favorite thing is just creating and having input and reaction.
And how about the favorite thing for your clients? What do they most enjoy? What's your favorite sellers?
Well, my top seller would be my brown butter toffee cookies.
Wow,
I
that sounds
make
really good.
toffee, which is in my brown butter toffee cookies.
So awesome.
Yeah, but just the reaction.
Yeah.
Just making people happy and knowing that people have favorites.
Yeah.
And people ask me, like, are you bringing this? Do you have this?
Right.
So
That's really cool. Yeah. That's really cool. So you had the love of baking to get into it, and then it transitioned into a business because of everybody just asking for more.
Yeah, I've actually been baking for about 50 years.
Oh, wow. Very
That tells
cool.
you how old I am, sort of.
Yeah, 50 years old since you were born.
Yeah, I've been baking since I was born. But I've just always loved baking. And since the internet and Google and everything has just grown, I have been following so many incredible bakers and people that create, and it really just inspired my interest to try new things. And I actually am super interested in cakes.
Oh, wow.
Cakes are a huge thing that I love to make, but and we have a beautiful kitchen in our home. We just remodeled it.
Nice.
And I think it's just, you find a passion.
Right.
And my passion, one of my passions is baking.
Very
not
cool.
Cooking, unfortunately.
Right.
But, there's always, my motto, there's always dessert, but there's never dinner.
Right. Right. We're a dessert first family too, so.
Oh, there you go. I like it.
Yeah.
So just the passion for baking and the passion for trying and from being as perfect as I can. And then feedback. What do people want? What's popular? But then people asking me to sell to them.
Right.
I had to get permitted.
Very cool.
And that's what inspired me to keep going and to come to markets. And to make me feel good knowing I'm doing the right thing to be a permitted home baker.
Right, right.
So
that's really cool. We are big fans of helping local businesses get local business.
Okay.
And where do you live?
I live in Ladera Ranch.
Okay, so you're a neighbor right here. That's really cool.
Yeah.
That's very cool. Very, very cool.
Yep.
So why would somebody choose Sadies over anything else that's out there?
Maybe because of my style.
Okay.
I bake the style that I love. I don't bake cookies with royal icing. They're very intricate. I think they're beautiful, but they're just not my thing.
Yeah.
They're not my interest. So
Right.
mine is more of a, I don't know, home baked, rustic baked, that kind of thing. So if somebody's looking for my style, then they'll look me up. And my Instagram shows a lot of what I do.
Fantastic. What is your Instagram, by the way?
My Instagram is
Sadies-bake-shop.
it's like a Sadies
Underscore. Yep.
bake_shop.
Perfect. So absolutely. So what's the thing that you're most proud of about your business?
That I'm permitted.
Yeah. Congratulations to that.
And I really have to just say that because a lot of people do bake and enjoy baking from home and they sell, and it's like, okay, I'm very proud that I went through all of the steps that it took to become a permitted home baker.
Very cool.
California Cottage permitted home baker.
Very
So
cool.
I'm very proud of that, and I'm very proud of my permit, and I'm proud of what I sell because it's all quality, first quality ingredients, fresh ingredients.
Right.
Nothing is, there are no preservatives and so forth. Everything's freshly baked
Nice.
by me. I mean, I
Right.
really am alone doing it. I love doing it.
Is there anybody else in the team, if you will? I know there's somebody off camera that you want to brag about a little bit.
Him, my husband, who's standing there smiling because he has been a huge supporter. He makes me proud, and it makes me feel very good. He has supported me all along. He has been a huge cheerleader for me. He's worked very hard at his job, so I'm home doing what I love to do. And he promotes me, he supports me, he comes here. Good morning. He comes to all the markets, he sets everything up. I owe a lot to him. He helps me in the kitchen sometimes. Very proud of him.
Very cool. So if somebody wanted to reach out to you, we talked about your Instagram, just kind of run through all the ways that you want people to reach out to you.
Well, Instagram for sure, because you can message me on Instagram.
Okay.
And my email address is my first name, which is Paula. So it's PaulaMCC38@gmail.com.
Perfect. Well, it's been great to talk to you. Nice to meet you, Paula.
You as well.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And we'll look forward to seeing you out there on the internet, and then also right here at the farmers market. You're here every Saturday. No, you're here the first Saturday of every month.
Correct.
That's right. Okay,
exactly.
Perfect. All right, guys, it's Devin Doherty, and super glad to meet Paula today at Sadies Bake Shop, and we'll look forward to hopefully interviewing you if you're a business owner in the future. Have a great day.